All right, everyone, welcome back to the channel and moving right along with TRB here. So, if you're new to the channel, I'm just trying to do updates and look at the macro picture of things, just due to the fact that everything's been going down for so long. So, I'm trying to prepare whoever wants to prepare for the next bull run. When we're looking to see where we can get in on these different cryptos, at the best possible prices. So we got a bunch of dollar cost averaging uh, prices that we can hit on different cryptos where we can add to our positions. So the fact that we're going down, we're looking at downside moves. We also look at the upside moves, and I try to keep it simple and easy to understand. So simply drew a fib from this low to this high. You can see that we recently lost our support at this golden pocket here at this $13 level on TRB here. So you're coming back down to the 786 at 10. You can see it was support back here. So this is pretty much, or it's not pretty much, it is the bottom for TRB here. It's going to get pretty ugly if you lose 10. So this is what we're going to point out here. Possible great buying opportunities for TRB if you do believe that it survives this bear market and makes a move in the next bull run. So, but like I said, you got to have patience with these things. So if you actually do lose the bottom here at 10, you can see we tagged it once before back here. We held support uh, for one candle here on this 3-day chart at 662. So if you lose 10 here, you're looking at a 38 or 36.5% drop down here to this 660 area on TRB. So this is a big price to hold here at 10. The fact that you only tagged this area once, there's not much support here to be had. So if you lose the 786 at 10, there's a potential that you're going to crash all the way down here to the 1618. Of course, it's not going to happen overnight. These things tend to kind of slowly just bleed out and go down like this. So let me get this back out here. So if we lose 10 here and you do actually come down here and you do not hold 662, which there is a probability that you will not because there is no support there, you're looking at a potential 80% drop down here to $1.99 on TRB. So that's a huge drop. But like I said, if you do lose 10 and you come down here to 6, that's a great buying opportunity because there's a potential for a good bounce. There's a potential for a good bounce here at this low. But TRB down here to $1.99, that would be a great price. So like I said, it's not going to do something like this. It's going to do something more like this and just kind of slowly bleed out, over the next coming months. But that's why we're pointing this out. We got to have patience. This is where they say the money is made, buying at these low prices where nobody wants to buy at, because everybody tends to want to buy the top and then the thing falls off the table. So I'm just pointing out the great buying opportunities here, the supports that need to hold, and if the support breaks, the next support that's coming up. So watch 10 and then watch 660. You lose that, then this thing's potentially coming all the way down to $2 on TRB. If you do bounce right here at 10 from where you are right now, you can see you need to get back above this 618 at 13.95. So this $13 area for about a 33-34% move just to get back up to that support turn resistance. So that's going to be your price to beat for any kind of bullish momentum to the upside there. So just watch that for a move up. And like I said, the main price you need to watch is 10 here. If you lose 10, it may start getting very ugly on TRB. With that said, the RSI is just kind of going sideways. The volume's pretty much nothing at the moment. We look over at the Heikin-Ashi candles, printing red here. They're kind of the same size, not really getting smaller. So we'll see if we can hold, kind of like we did back here for a little bounce higher. Yeah, with that said, I don't see anything else on the charts. I don't see any patterns forming. And it's kind of just going sideways right now. The pressure is kind of the the gas pedal on the pressure of downside movement, if you will, is being let up a little bit. So we may very well hold 10 here and kind of go sideways or bounce higher. But like I said, if you do bounce at 10, watch 13 for a move higher. If you lose 10, 6 is your next stop, and potentially $2 on TRB. So yeah, with that being said, hopefully you guys get something out of these updates. I really enjoy making them. I appreciate all the views. And with that said, not financial advice. Thanks for watching, everyone. Peace out.